Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope that you all are fine and staying at home. Stay home, take care of yourself, and take care of your family members. And now, welcome to your English class. Today, in your English class, we are going to start a new chapter, Bird Watching. We have done the reading of this chapter. Now, we'll know what this chapter is all about. So, this chapter is all about a hobby. Do you know what is a hobby? Yes, a hobby is the thing which you like to do when you are free. And when you're doing it, it gives you a sense of relaxation. You feel very happy and you feel like doing it even if you are tired because it gives you a sense of relaxation. Some people have a hobby of collecting stamps, some people have hobby of collecting marbles, some like to read when they are free, some like to draw, some like to collect something which is very different from the other things, some like collecting leaves. So, same way, bird watching is also an hobby. So, let us see what it is all about. Bird watching. In this, you have to sit for hours and you have to watch a bird. Okay, you have to sit like this man and you have to watch a bird, what it is doing, how it is feeding his young ones, how it is flying. Everything you have to notice. You have to observe that particular bird, then only you will come to know about it. So in this hobby, what all you need is patience, lots and lots of patience. It is a very interesting hobby, and you come to know very interesting facts about the birds in this hobby. You come to know about their feeding habit, about their nest, how they fly, what do they do, everything. But to know all this, you have to watch a bird very closely, and for this you have to sit for hours without moving so that the bird didn't get distracted और वो आपसे डर के उड़ ना जाए, है ना। तो आपको बड़ी पेशेंस के साथ, बड़े इत्मीनान से you have to sit, and for this you need a to watch a bird you need a binoculars. Do you need what is a binoculars? Yes, binoculars. You call it doorbeen in Hindi. You can see this is a binocular. And what else you need? A notebook. Why do you need a notebook and a pencil? To note down what you have seen, what the bird is doing. Now, so note down all these things. You need a notebook and a pencil or pen. And the most important thing is पेशेंस। आपको बहुत पेशेंस से, सब्र से, you have to sit for hours looking at the bird, then only you will come to it. Is not that कि आप बैठे हैं and you are looking at the bird, फिर आप गए कुछ खा के फिर आके बैठे. No, you have to sit and continuously look what they are doing for days. Sometime आज आपने देखा, फिर आप अपना काम, फिर कल उसी टाइम पे आए. Now what the bird is doing, like this, na, you come to know something interesting about the bird. So in this chapter we will also learn some interesting facts about different birds. Okay, so first we will know about this man. He is Dr. Salim Ali. Now you must be wondering, who is he? He is the Birdman of India. He is a very famous person, and he is the one who made this bird watching hobby so popular. He has written lots of books about birds, and he traveled all over the world to study different types of birds, and he fought to save the bird from hunters. You know, hunters, they kill the birds and animals for their amusement, for the fun, and just for relaxing themselves, they kill birds. So he fought with them to save birds. And there's one bird who is named after Dr. Salim Ali. Now let us start with some interesting facts. Yes, this bird is Sarus crane. It's the tallest bird in India. It is known as the tallest bird. सबसे tallest bird है. And they are grey with long pale red legs. Their legs are red and pale in color. They eat wide range of food like they eat grasshoppers, small fishes, insects, etc. Okay, so next bird is flower pecker. This is a cute little bird, isn't it? It's known as flower pecker, small cute little bird. It's mostly it eats berries from the tree. And you know one more important thing, they do a very funny dance when they are trying to separate seed from the berry, when they are eating their food and it is having a seed in between. So they do a very funny dance when they are separating the flesh, that juicy part, that thing which you eat from the seed. They do a very funny dance. Okay, next bird is great bustard. It is the largest bird. This bird is the largest bird in India and the heaviest bird alive. It eats grass, flowers, grains. Things like this it eat. Next bird is common crow. This too you must have seen, na? Yes, it's a common crow, कौवा. हमारे घर पे आता है ना, अब तो बहुत रेयर हो गया है, but it is known as one of the most intelligent bird and it is found all over the world. Some of the bird you find in India, some in other countries, but this crow you find all over the world. Common crow, जो हमारे घरों पे भी दिखते हैं. Now this is another very cute, sweet little bird and its name is tailor bird. Now such a strange name, na? Tailor bird. You know who is a tailor? Yes, a tailor stitches our clothes. And this bird got its name because it stitches its nest like this. Can you see its nest? And can you see the thread-like structure which they use to stitch? They use to stitch. Na? They stitch the leaves with help of fine thread or fine grass to make their nest. So they got their name tailor bird. Now hummingbird. And how did they got their name humming? They got their name from the sound that they make when they flap their wings. जब ये अपने पंख फड़फड़ाती है ना, then the sound which they make, they got their name from that. And one very important thing, they can fly backward also. And they don't have any sense of smell. So you all know that birds have beaks. Different birds have different type of beaks. And not only these beaks are used for eating, but it is also used for fighting, nest building, feeding young ones, and there are many other functions. Okay, so this is all about some facts about birds and some little about Mr. Dr. Salim Ali. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this chapter. Thank you and have a